Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 5th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, first of all, we got non farm payroll news coming out today, which is definitely a big news event. It should be a pretty good market mover. Now, overall, I am definitely bullish, at least temporarily, on the higher time frames, because I think this right here potentially is the end of a pullback, the end of a wave C on like the 4 hour. If that's true, this should continue the uptrend, but it kind of seems like we might be actually set up for a short at the news. It kind of seems like this is an A B. Maybe it's going to go down for a wave C, grab all these lows, go to a percentage of this move up, someplace between 38 and 78% of that move up, and then perhaps start a bigger wave to the upside. Hopefully, this is like a wave one, a wave two, and then eventually it ends up being a wave three, which would be like a one, two, three of wave C if you're talking about like the 4 hour and the daily time frames. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.